clouds like just cleared off this edge. We're about to walk up at the fog, which should be intense. But yeah, it's pretty awesome. Like down there, it was completely clear about 5 seconds ago.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So where are we going now?
We're going up to Fairfield, which is 823 metres apparently. Then we'll go down to a tarn and stay.
Cool.
Camp.
Setting the tent up yesterday. What was it like?
Intense. I mean, we had to set up like at the top of a mountain first. There was a really shit camping spot and the wind was ridiculous, so we had to climb down this this slope, which is actually steeper than I remember.
Let me just film it. You cannot see it because it is cloudy as fuck right now, but it would have been way into the clouds up there.
Well, I was kind of hoping for better weather, to be honest, but hopefully if we climb down, we're going to climb down to a little lake, have a little wash, I think. Hopefully it'll be better there.
We go for a quick swim in this.
Let's have a look.
It's going to be fucking
What have we got? Nice. It's not very deep though. How was the swim, mate?
Cold.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how cold?
7.
7. Yeah, it's probably about 7. Because what's the coldest you swam in?
Arctic Lake, which was like a 9. That was grim. We are in a disused quarry, so we just sort of walked down the side of this fell, and it's raining. You should probably put your camera on.
Yeah, don't worry about camera.
I'm not sure I want to be rained on, but I'm going to put my hood up and we're going to carry on the interview because this is outdoor lifestyle. Yeah, so we walked down this fell and we just fuck, my bag's getting real wet. Should we carry on the interview?
Yep.
I'll just come out to you, mate. I'm sending pictures of where we camp and explaining to my friends that we were wild camping and why we were wild camping, which seems to be intriguing them somewhat.
Why?
Because they have no idea why you would wild camp. Why would you ever camp properly again? You have the best location to yourself. You have free water, you have free accommodation. What else do you need?